Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our SQL interview series preparation. So today we have a very basic question, but this is a very important question when it comes to interview preparation. Okay, so the question basically says write a query to find the cumulative revenue by month for each product category in a sales table. In the input table, we have the product category, we have the month, and we have the monthly revenue. As you can see, we have the different types of product category like electronics, clothes, and groceries. And based on that, we need to find the output as product category, month, revenue, and the cumulative revenue. Cumulative revenue is nothing but the summation of the all the revenue in that particular period of time. That period of time can be for the same year, or we can say same kind of product category. For example, for the electronics, we can see the month is 1 2024, then the value is 5000. And when the electronics value goes to month 2 2024, the value is 7000. And in the output, we need 5000 plus 7000 is equal to 12,000. The initial value will not change because before this there is no value, so the 5000 will remain the same as it is. Cool. So I hope you have solved these kind of questions. If not, then we will go through it. Okay, so we will be writing this code first in the notepad as we discussed, then followed by which we will copy the same code in the any of the online SQL to check whether we are getting the correct output or not. Perfect. Let's jump to the notepad. I have already written the script and you can get this script in the description. I will simply copy it. Okay, so now let's write the query. Okay, what are the things we need? We need select, we need the product category, that is product underscore category, comma, we need we already need this in the 2024 one format, so we don't need the date. Okay, so we can use the date format function to resize our month in the year. Okay, so syntax is date underscore format, and inside this we need to pass the parameter, that is the column in which the date is present, that is the sale date, comma, in which format you want. We need this in percentage y and percentage m. This basically will give year and month format. Cool. Now let's close the bracket. Let's alias it as month, comma. Now what are the columns we need? We need the sum of the revenue. Okay, sum of revenue as, let's alias it as monthly sales, or no, let's alias it as monthly revenue. It's a perfect name. Now what else we need? We now need the what the cumulative sum. Okay, so for using the cumulative sum, we can use sum of the previous thing, that is this one, that is sum of revenue over, after over we need to use the partition by what, partition by the product category, and then we need to order by. So partition by product category, we can simply copy it from here. Okay, control C, by product category, and order by the date format that we have used. Control C, order by this. So this month will not be used, only the date format of percentage y comma percentage m, this much. Now let's alias it as cumulative revenue. Okay, now from which table? There is only one table, that is sales. Now we need to group by, because we have used the aggregated function, that is sum. So group by the non-aggregated column, that is product category and the date format. So you can simply copy it from there and use it here. And let's resize the code. This. Now let's order by the product category and month. Product underscore category and comma month. You can directly use the month here, order by, but you cannot use the month in the group by, because the group by comes before the select statement. That's why. While the order by comes after the select statement. That's why. Okay, so this will be our final query. Let's copy the query. Let's go to our online compiler. Now let's paste it. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so okay, let's uncomment this to see better. Okay, so now you can see for clothing we have got 2000, then 2000 plus 3000 is 5000, then 5000 plus 1500 it is giving 6500 for the clothing. Similarly for electronics, if we can see 5000 plus 7000 is 12000, then 12000 plus 4000 is 16000, and similarly for the groceries. Perfect, we have got the successful output, and this is how you can actually solve this particular question. So not at all a difficult question, only you need to remember that for cumulative, to find out the cumulative sum or the revenue, you need to use the over and the partition by function. Cool. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you in the next video very soon. And to practice these kind of questions, don't worry about it. I will be posting every day the SQL question and the Python question. Make sure to subscribe the channel to get the latest updates very soon, and share this channel with someone who is actually preparing for data analyst interviews. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.